How's it going, guys? Welcome back to a new video. And I just got, I just got back from basketball tryouts. And I did pretty good. But I am still going to be playing soccer. Sorry, my voice was kind of all like that. 'Cause I just got done eating. But yeah, welcome back to a new video. And today we are playing FIFA Mobile. And I did make another video, but I had to leave, so I couldn't do it. And everything went black right when I watched it. Like I was hoping like you still saw the game going. And as you see, the game's almost over because the game's over and I won 0-1. And guess what? We got somebody that plays from Roman Dread. The real man. I can't say it right, but we did get one, and he wasn't good. We were so close to getting Bale. I was like, no way. If we get him, we passed Ronaldo like 3 times, but it was nowhere near him. But we could have picked which one we would have wanted. We could have went against Andreas or Barcelona. So I picked Barcelona because that's my favorite team. And I was hoping like, oh my god, are we really gonna get Bale right now? Then it passed him like it had more of the 65 rated person. I was like saying no. And it's sometimes I think I have Alexis Sanchez when it says that. I was like, I have Alexis Sanchez, but I don't. Cut in. Bruh. Oop. Okay. And shoot. Dolly. Okay, so guys, we are gonna be doing some pack openings, so yeah. And we might actually be meeting up with other YouTubers, like not like famous YouTubers, like I already said, one of my friends, Buff for the Gaming. And we might be doing a Q&A together, like on stream, Like we're gonna be playing some more games. That's what we're gonna be talking about. Boom. Let's do it. Gotcha. Wait, yeah, the last time I did this, I think I streamed on Twitch playing this, so if you want to go check that out, you can. And if you want to send donations, I honestly don't care. Cause like, I'm just trying to get subscribers. It's like, I don't want to be like, oh. Cause like, if I really like wanted to give me money, I could just keep working hard to get views. Cause that's what you're supposed to do. Get views to get money. Cause I'm not actually about to beg y'all like give me money like some YouTubers that don't get subscribers for real. They actually really beg for money. Like I actually see little kid YouTubers beg for money because they're poor. But then when they end up getting like a $5 donation, they end up coming like the most famous YouTuber I ever seen. Because my friend Lane, he has his channel, but he stopped YouTubing. And he said, he said, guess what I got? I said, what? A donation. Then everybody just started donating to him, because I guess y'all, not y'all, probably, I don't know if y'all gave him the donation or not. Now he's like rich. Well, he's not like rich, like, he's not living, he's still living in America. He just have enough money to like a really big house in Living Point, Mallard. So he's like, and I go see him sometimes, but not really. I just see him. I really just talk to him in school. I mean, yeah, we do go to the same school, Eastwood. I'm saying we don't go to Eastwood together. We go to Old Park together, cause that's a close school he can go to, and he might score. Wait, I don't care about my stamina. We're gonna make a video on that later on, probably. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, on Monsters Legends, we are gonna be building an arena, or trying to buy some more land so we can get more some more habitats. Yeah. Okay, so I don't know how long it's been since I was recording. I don't pay attention to that at all. If he wasn't, wait, did I make that? Did I make that? Hold up. No, I want to see if I made that. I gotta go look back in the video and see if I made that or not. Guys, tell me in the comments if I made it or not. But yes or no. Cause like, I honestly, oh, I went the wrong way. And I was going the wrong way. I forgot it's happening. Oh my gosh! Oh crap! I didn't even see the 90 on there on the top. Like, I looked up just for a second. I was like, "Oh crap! It's 90." And win without committing a foul. Clean match. Let's open up this pack. There we go. And so we have 11,000. So if we actually go to the store, we need to save up to. Oh my gosh, that costs a lot of money. Dude, we need this. Oh my gosh, we're just gonna have to look at a regular pack or like 750k packs, or sometimes. No, if you might hear, don't worry about that. I might. It's like my audio. I can't do nothing about that. I'm actually really sorry. So wait just 1 second. I have to do something. Okay, so I'm back, and like I just texted one of my friends on my computer. He said if I wanted to what's the name oh good, with some Ellie though. But yeah, if I wanted to have better audio, just stay still, completely still, like you can still move your hands and all. And my friend Eduardo, he has like his whole team like right here, just nothing but gold. That's all gold. And he has some elites in here, but that's why we're saving up so we can go ahead and like get an elite. Cause like if we get an elite, we get OP. And let's go ahead and start back this match. Turn that car from the back. Don't worry about that. I just don't be in the house. Don't worry about that door closed either. I don't, cause you don't want, you don't want, cold air going to your house. Oh no, that was going in. No, that is nasty. Yeah. And the ball was curving so good too. Sanchez. Oh, Sanchez got crossed. Okay. Hurry up. Okay, I'm back, and I have to go open the door for my dad. He has to, cleaning up the house. You know how it goes. But we're actually gonna end this video here because I actually have to go do something. And I hope I can see you guys next time. And bye.